Ever wondered how to dive into the world of recreational vehicles, better known as RVs, and didn't quite know where to start? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to a comprehensive guide that will unravel the mysteries of RVing, from choosing the right type of RV to budgeting for your RV travels. First things first, selecting the right type of RV. There are several types to choose from, each with its own pros and cons. There are motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and pop-up campers, just to name a few. Your choice will depend on factors such as your budget, travel needs, and personal preferences. Research is key here, so take your time and find the one that fits you best. Now that you've got your RV, let's talk about driving and towing. These larger vehicles can be a bit intimidating at first, but don't fret. Practice makes perfect. Begin in a safe, open space to get the feel of the vehicle. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Next up, we have essential gadgets and maintenance. RVs are like mini homes on wheels. They need regular checkups to ensure everything is functioning correctly. From plumbing and electrical systems to tires and brakes, routine maintenance can save you from potential headaches down the road. As for gadgets, think of items that can enhance your RVing experience. A good GPS, a quality camera, or even a portable grill for those outdoor barbecues. Now, let's talk money. Budgeting for RV travel is crucial. Consider expenses like fuel, campsite fees, food, and entertainment. Also, don't forget about maintenance and repair costs. These can add up quickly, so always have a contingency plan. Storage and space management is another critical aspect of RVing. With limited space, every inch counts. Be selective about what you bring along on your travels. Remember, the goal is to be comfortable without cluttering your space. For those considering transitioning to full-time RV living, it's a big step, but can be incredibly rewarding. It's a lifestyle change that requires careful planning and preparation. From downsizing your belongings to adjusting your budget, full-time RV living is an adventure in and of itself. We know that starting out can be overwhelming, so don't hesitate to tap into the RV community. They are a wealth of knowledge and are always willing to offer support and advice. Last but certainly not least, consider an RV warranty. This can protect your investment and provide peace of mind as you embark on your RV journey. To sum up, starting your RV journey involves careful consideration and planning. From selecting the right RV to budgeting for your travels, each step plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. So buckle up and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.